The P0369 diagnostic trouble code indicates an intermittent fault in the camshaft position sensor B circuit on bank 1. This code signals a problem with the camshaft position sensor, which monitors the camshaft's position to synchronize ignition timing and fuel injection. The camshaft position sensor is crucial for engine operation, ensuring proper timing of ignition and fuel delivery. Bank 1 specifically refers to the engine bank that contains cylinder number 1, typically the driver's side in V engine configurations. The camshaft position sensor operates through a 3-wire electrical circuit, providing signal output, ground connection, and power supply. The intermittent nature means the problem doesn't occur continuously, which makes it harder to diagnose. Failure to address this code can result in engine misfires, stalling, and even potential engine damage. Camshaft position sensors, or CMP sensors, are critical components in internal combustion engines. These sensors monitor the camshaft's position to ensure proper engine timing. CMP sensors are typically Hall effect or magnetic sensors. They detect the camshaft's rotation without physical contact. The Hall effect sensor uses a magnetic field to generate a voltage signal when the camshaft rotates past it. These sensors generate a pulse signal, typically a 5 to 12 volt square wave, that the engine control module can interpret. This square wave pattern provides precise timing information about the camshaft's position. The sensor's primary purpose is to provide crucial data about the camshaft's rotational position to the engine control module, or ECM. This information is essential for synchronizing ignition timing and fuel injection in the engine. When the sensor signal becomes intermittent, it disrupts the engine's timing and fuel injection systems, triggering the P0369 diagnostic trouble code. Newer vehicles are incorporating more robust and reliable camshaft position sensors with better diagnostics. However, older model vehicles remain more susceptible to sensor failures due to wear and design limitations. Several factors can trigger the P0369 code. The most common is a faulty camshaft position sensor, often caused by oil contamination that damages the sensor over time. Corroded wiring or connectors are the leading cause, making up about 70% of P0369 cases. Always check the harness first before replacing the sensor. A stretched timing chain can also cause the P0369 code by affecting camshaft positioning and sensor readings. Finally, ECM glitches, such as software issues or electrical problems, can trigger the code intermittently. Remember, wiring issues are the most common cause, so always check the harness before replacing expensive components. Begin diagnosing by using an OBD2 scanner to confirm the P0369 code. This initial step verifies the code is active. Next, perform a visual inspection of the camshaft position sensor and its wiring harness. Look for corrosion, damage, or loose connections. Use a multimeter to check voltage and continuity in the sensor circuit. Test the power supply and ground connections. For advanced diagnostics, use an oscilloscope to check the signal integrity. Look for proper waveforms indicating the sensor is functioning. Prioritize checking and repairing the wiring harness. Many P0369 issues are caused by wiring problems rather than a faulty sensor. For DIY enthusiasts, apps like Torque or OBD Link can assist with diagnostics, providing real-time data and code reading capabilities. Repair options for the P0369 code range from simple fixes to complex repairs. Simple solutions include cleaning corroded connectors or replacing damaged wiring. More complex repairs might involve replacing the camshaft position sensor or addressing timing chain issues. In rare cases, an ECM reflash or replacement might be necessary, especially if a software glitch is the root cause. The average repair cost ranges from $150 to $400, but wiring problems can increase this cost by 50%. Consider a 2018 Chevrolet Tahoe with 150,000 miles that developed a P0369 code. The issue was caused by oil leakage that corroded the sensor connector. Replacing the harnesses for $200 resolved the intermittent stalling problem. Another example involves a 2018 Ford Mustang GT, where a faulty timing chain tensioner caused the P0369 code. This required replacing the timing chain, costing $800, and prevented further engine damage. These cases demonstrate the variability in causes and solutions for P0369 codes, from simple harness replacements to more complex timing chain repairs. Regular oil changes are crucial for preventing camshaft position sensor failures. Fresh oil reduces contaminants that can damage the sensor, extending its lifespan. Regularly inspect wiring harnesses and electrical connectors for signs of corrosion or damage. These components are prone to wear from heat and vibration, and corroded connections can lead to intermittent faults in the sensor circuit. Consider upgrading to more durable camshaft position sensors if replacements are available. Modern sensors often include better protection against oil contamination and electrical interference, reducing the likelihood of intermittent faults. According to Bosch experts, implementing these preventive maintenance practices can reduce camshaft position sensor failures by up to 25%, saving time and repair costs. With the increasing adoption of electric vehicles, camshaft sensors are becoming obsolete, projected to reduce P0369 diagnoses by 50% by 2030. Internal combustion engine vehicles are declining in market share, leading to fewer P0369 cases. For remaining ICE vehicles, sensor upgrades and AI integration are key trends. Wireless sensors with built-in diagnostics and AI-driven predictive maintenance will minimize intermittency. Focus will shift to telematics for remote fixes on older models.